In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively add testimonial reviews to your website using Wix, enhancing your page's credibility and creating a compelling visitor experience. We'll guide you through incorporating both Wix's built-in testimonial strips and third-party review widgets, ensuring your site looks professional and trustworthy. Let's start by opening up your Wix editor. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll notice a menu. Go ahead and click on Add Elements. This section is your toolbox for adding various components to your site. Once there, navigate to Strip, where you'll find different pre-designed elements. Scroll through until you come across the Testimonial presets. These are pre-designed strips that can help you easily feature testimonials on your website. Each strip is thoughtfully designed to fit seamlessly into any layout, while showcasing valuable customer feedback. Once you've chosen a strip that suits your needs, simply drag and drop it onto your page. This intuitive feature of Wix makes adding elements extremely straightforward. Now, you'll want to personalize it. Click on the text fields of your newly added strip to edit your reviewer's name and their testimonial. It's important to use authentic and compelling reviews to build trust with your audience. Don't forget to click on the images as well. You can replace the existing ones with images that reflect the personality and brand of your reviewers or your business. Next, you'll see how customizable these strips are. By clicking on the strip settings, you can tweak the background, decide on an engaging layout, and customize other design aspects to align with your brand identity. Remember, consistency in design helps in creating a professional look and feel across your site. Now, if your goal is to add more reviews, especially those collected on external platforms, you'll want to use services like ElfSite or others that specialize in widgets for displaying reviews. These platforms allow you to gather reviews from various sources and present them neatly on your website. After selecting your desired widget, you'll receive an HTML embed code. This code is what we'll use to integrate these external reviews into your Wix site. Back in your Wix editor, return to Add Elements, but this time, look for Embed Code. Once you've found it, select Embed HTML Code. This action will produce an HTML element that you can place anywhere on your page. Click on it to open its settings, then paste the embed code you obtained from your third-party widget service. After pasting the code, make sure to click Update to apply these changes. Lastly, ensure that the widget fits perfectly on your page by adjusting its size and position. Take this opportunity to preview how it looks from a user's perspective. Does it enhance your page without overwhelming it? By the end of these steps, you'll have beautifully showcased testimonials that add incredible value and trust to your website, leaving a lasting impression on your visitors.